In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts to your Squarespace website. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just getting started, I'll guide you through the process step by step to make your blogging experience as smooth as possible. This should take about 5 minutes of your time, so let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website, and you'll see the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. If you haven't logged in previously, you might need to enter your credentials. Alternatively, there's the convenient option to continue with Google, which is often a faster way to access your account if you're signed into Google already. Simply click on Continue with Google. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. You'll want to click on the website that you wish to add a blog post to. This action will take you directly to the website settings area. Now that you're in your site specific dashboard, your next destination is to go to the Pages section. This section acts as the control center for everything that shows up on your site, including your blog. To get here, you can navigate to the left sidebar where you'll find the Pages option. Click on that. Within your Pages section, you'll see a list of all the different pages and sections of your website. In this list, look for the blog option and click on it. This will bring you to the area where you manage all your blog content. After clicking on blog, you'll notice options related to your blog content management. One crucial step is to click on blog content. This is where all the magic happens, where you'll create and manage your posts. You'll find a small plus icon, usually located at the top of the blog management page. This icon is your starting point for adding a new blog post. Click on the plus icon and a fresh blank post will open up, ready for you to start crafting your content. Now it's time to let your creativity flow. Begin writing your blog post by filling in the title, content, and any images or media you want to include. Squarespace provides a user-friendly editor, so adding and formatting content should be intuitive. Once you're satisfied with your work and feel ready to share it with the world, locate the Publish button. Click it and your new blog post will go live on your website. That's all it takes to add a blog post to your Squarespace website. With these steps, you can easily keep your blog updated and engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.